So why are you being dishonest with me?
Lost my job.
No, that's not my question. You came before me and you said the reason why you were not reporting is because you lost your job.
Well,
So you didn't lose your job, you quit.
Well, it had something to do with that. because
No.
I didn't have a vehicle.
Time out. You were dishonest with me. I asked you why you were not reporting, and your answer to me was because you lost your job. Do you want the court reporter to read that back? So now I find out that you didn't lose your job, you quit. So here's my question for you. You don't work, you quit your job. Your mom is receiving a check from 2020 CR 9608, State of Texas versus Juvaldo Garcia. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state,
Michael Villariapo, State.
for the defense?
Patrick Thomas from Mr. Garcia.
And are you Mr. Garcia?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to show you a document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Are you the same Juvaldo Garcia who's placed on deferred adjudication in 2020 CR 9608 for the offense of assault family second offense on February 10th, 2021 for a period of 6 years? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
All right, state.
Violated condition number 5 in Bear County, Texas. The defendant, Juvaldo Garcia, did then and there failed to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of April, May, and June of 2022 in violation of condition number 5.
How do you plead to that? True or not true? State.
And the state would waive and abandon the remaining allegations.
Any objections to the state's waivers?
No objections, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 5, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, not grant you community supervision, and sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 5?
Yes, sir.
Court will find violation of condition number 5 true. Is there an agreement?
Yes, Your Honor. The agreement is to deny the motion and alter and amend conditions of probation to include 60 days of weekly reporting and 3 months of the UA hotline.
All right, is that the agreement?
It is, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Garcia, are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Correct.
All right, Mr. Garcia, can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
All right, you can lower your hand, and I'm gonna need you to speak up.
Okay.
All right, why are you not reporting?
Lost my job. Yeah, I just lost my job.
I don't understand how losing your job equates to not reporting. It seems you would have more time to report.
Had a broken phone, didn't communicate, didn't show up.
Who is in your life other than, do you have children? Do you have family?
No family. No
So how did you spend your time?
basically take care of my mom. My mom was legally blind.
I'm sorry, what?
My mother's legally blind.
Mhm.
So,
So you were doing that, but you were not reporting. So here's the thing. I can revoke you, and if I revoke you, I'll give you 3 years. Or if you want to continue on probation, I'm going to do the UA hotline. And it's going to be you're reporting more than they're requesting. So which would you rather do? I can't hear you.
I'll do the reporting.
All right. So is your mom being has your mom been given money from the government since she is legally blind? Is she receiving SSI or something?
She gets my stepdad's pension.
All right. So where do you work?
I was working at a restaurant.
So why don't you have your job? And here's the thing, that mask is not working because you don't have it on your nose, so you can pull it down so I can hear.
I was working till 2 in the morning, so I was kind of not getting home till like 3 or 4 in the morning. So it became a problem.
So you quit.
Basically,
So why are you saying you lost your job when you didn't lose your job, you quit?
I just couldn't.
No, that's not my question. You came before me and you said the reason why you were not reporting is because you lost your job.
Well,
So you didn't lose your job, you quit.
Well, it had something to do with that. because I
No.
I didn't have a vehicle.
Time out. You were dishonest with me. I asked you why you were not reporting, and your answer to me was because you lost your job. Do you want the court reporter to read that back? So now I find out that you didn't lose your job, you quit.
well, basically,
No, there's no basically.
I-
Either you quit.
I left the job.
All right, so you quit.
Yes, ma'am.
And now you're dependent on your support from a check your mom gets. Well, how are you supporting yourself?
Well, that's not the thing. I did want to get a job.
You're playing word salad with me and I don't like it. So here's my question for you. You don't work, you quit your job, your mom is receiving a check from your stepfather. How are you supporting yourself?
I'm not supporting myself at the moment.
No, there's a way you're supporting yourself. Were you eating at your mom's house?
Yes,
All right, so that food came from a check that's meant for her.
correct.
Were you living with your mom?
Yes, ma'am.
So that roof is based upon a check that your mom is receiving that's meant for her, not you.
Okay.
Were you taking showers and baths there?
Yes, ma'am.
So that water usage is being paid for her through a check that she receives. So why are you being dishonest with me? I can't hear a word you're saying.
I don't want to be dishonest with you.
Okay, Sam, why are you being dishonest in your answers to the court?
I'm nervous.
So you are dishonest when you're nervous? I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
I didn't mean to come off that way with you.
No, you were being dishonest to the court
I apologize.
because you said you lost your job and you didn't lose it, you quit. So I have before me a person who's not doing their UAs, not reporting and being dishonest. That's a problem because that tells me that you're probably in your addictions. So the state has already said that they want to continue. I'm inclined to do that, but I need to know more about you. So you need to be 100% honest with me. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So what is your drug of choice and when's the last time you used it before being taken into custody?
Marijuana.
No, it's more than marijuana. What else? What have you used other than marijuana?
Crack.
I'm sorry?
Crack.
All right. When's the last time you used crack? And here's the thing, Mr. Garcia, everybody who comes before the court, even myself, we're all works in progress. And hopefully we make progress in our life and we don't end up in the same place we started in.
Correct.
Even babies can't walk, can't talk. Hopefully they make progress where ultimately they can walk and talk and tell you their needs. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm trying to figure out from you where you are in the process of your life, and hopefully you will improve your life and be somewhere, in a better place. So in order for that to happen, you've got to be honest with me. So marijuana, crack, what else? Anything else?
That's it.
All right. So when's the last time you used crack?
I'm on.
All right. So this is what I'm going to do. I want him referred to felony drug court, and that's going to be while he's in custody. There's going to be proof of employment within 30 days of release. There is no employment as a home health care provider with minors. And who's been with your mom while you've been in custody? I'm sorry?
An older brother.
Yes, you're not going to be taking care of your mom anymore because you're not in a shape where she can rely upon you. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors or the elderly. There's going to be the UA hotline, and that's going to be once a week. And there is going to be weekly reporting by Zoom or in person. Two times per month until further notice. And the UA hotline is until further notice as well. And I'm going to want field visits 2 times per month, random. Sorry, probation.
Your Honor, I believe I heard you say weekly reporting on Zoom or in person, but then you said 2 times a month. Can you?
Oh, I'm sorry. I made a mistake on that. Yes, weekly reporting by Zoom or in person.
Okay.
All right,
Or,
until further notice.
Okay.
And I'm going to want a CHOP evaluation. If he's not accepted into felony drug court, then I'm going to want him in intensive outpatient treatment.
yes, Your Honor.
All right, probation, is there anything else he needs?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Garcia, is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful? Okay, Mr. Garcia, here's the thing, you're on deferred adjudication out of this court. You are looking at the potential of 10 years in prison if you are not successful. Do you understand? All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Juvaldo Garcia appeared in court for a motion to revoke his deferred adjudication probation in a 2020 Texas family violence case. He had originally been placed on 6 years of community supervision, but the state alleged he violated the conditions by failing to report to his supervision officer for several months. During the hearing, Garcia admitted he did not maintain required contact, and the court questioned inconsistencies in his explanation regarding employment status and daily responsibilities. The judge pressed him on whether he lost his job or voluntarily quit, and how he was supporting himself while living with his mother. It was discussed that he was staying in a household supported by his mother's disability-related income, while not maintaining stable employment. Garcia also stated he was assisting with his mother's care, though the court focused on his lack of compliance with probation requirements and concerns about honesty. He further acknowledged prior drug use during questioning. Rather than immediately revoking probation, the court opted for structured intervention, including referral to felony drug court, mandatory testing, and stricter reporting conditions. The defendant was warned that continued violations could result in up to 10 years in prison. The court emphasized accountability, treatment, and consistent supervision moving forward.